Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is lesson 657. The title of today's lesson is the difference between there, theirs, and there. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. The terms there, and there, those three, are homonyms, which means they are all pronounced exactly the same. But of course, their meanings and uses are different. Okay, let's look at the first one. There, They', may be the simplest or maybe the easiest. It is simply the contraction of the words they and are. There only has this use. So that's what you have to concentrate on with this one. So most of the time, if you can separate the contraction and say they are and it still works, then it's an acceptable use. Okay, so we have just a couple of examples. They're late. They are late. They're not coming. They are not coming. So that's its use. All right, number two. Now there, Their, there, is a determiner and possessive adjective. It is used to show possession or ownership. It is used the same way as his, her, our, etc. Okay. So we have some examples for this one. Here's the first one. Their money is no good. Yeah, it's kind of a funny expression. Could have two meanings, actually. Sometimes it means that you refuse to sell somebody something. Or it could have a more positive one, meaning that, you like this person so much, you're going to give it to them for free. Their money's no good here. Here, you take this because you are so special or so good for some reason. All right, number two. Their prices are very reasonable. Okay, so their prices, the prices that belong to them. Their books are on the table. Yeah, the books that belong to them, possession. Their books are on the table. All right, now theirs with an S is a plural form of a possessive pronoun. It is also used to show ownership or possession and is used as a pronoun by itself. Okay, and we have a couple of examples for this one. I prefer ours to theirs, whatever their things are. So it refers to those. We lived in a house next to theirs. Theirs, their house, basically. Okay. All right. And our last one here, there, There, is mostly used to indicate location. It basically means in or at that place. So we have a couple of examples here, of course. Let's go over there, put it down there, in that place. There can also be used in an abstract sense. And we have one example for this. You are never there for me when I need you. So this is not a specific location. This is in the abstract sense. All right. And the last part for There, there is also used to introduce a clause to show the existence of something, that something exists. There is a fly in my soup. Yes, you're showing that he exists. He's in your soup. She thinks there is a ghost in her house, to show the existence of a ghost in her house. There are many books on the desk. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope you can clearly now distinguish how and when to use all these. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.